Hello, hello. How's it going, Nigma? Let me put my sound a little bit down. How's it going today? Today, we're going to do some code, okay? Today is the day we do it. It's doing good. Good to hear. Sounds like it's only you. But you know what? That's all good because I'm in for some code, okay? Enough yapping. I've already started, actually. So, we're already better off than the other days. I've made some, some things so that the comments on my code are readable and that the prints inside of my code make sense. So now we're gonna be able to do real things and not just yap. So, with that said, as we are, have you considered making your code itself more readable? Yes. Now, I've made some change that make it easier for me. Like oh, I'm not sharing the right thing. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Here we go. So, remember the pre-pro parse, okay? So the thing that we did for the preprocessor. So I made a match statement in it's a switch statement in C. So I've made the equivalent of a switch statement. It's more readable to me, and I made some tags just because, well, here it makes not a lot of sense, but here it starts making sense. So, like, this part I'm not expecting to touch, so that's why I wanted, like, finished, explained, so that if ever I fuck with it, I know what I'm doing, right? So, yep. Oh, I didn't get your message before retraction. Have you considered making your... Oh, okay, I get it. Okay, have you considered making your code itself more readable? Kind of the reason why comments are actually descriptions, you know? The whole language part. Lol. I'm trying to make it readable. But also, I've started to do something that's a bit more clean, right? Let's just set it so that we don't see the change, okay? I've added some variable at the start that just makes the output a bit more clean. Let me show. So normally, whenever you print something with the program, right, there's a bunch of things just jumping to you, right? So now I've not fixed everything because this big part will all be removed very soon, but like some key parts I've made a variable to stop them from being printed, right? So skip range content, that can be removed. The CP Pro result can be removed. This shit can be removed. And the syndex error too. So I have made a quick switch for that, just because it's a bit more convenient. I've also rewritten some of the code for, CPP Pro, just so that it's a bit more concise in how it displays thing and how everything is handled. I just feel that it makes more sense to have something that can be actually showed on stream, that is readable, as we should. So, yeah. And also the skip range are now displayed in a way that is readable and not just the automated way. Which is fun, right? So we have the file, we have the line, and the actual text that was skipped. So that's all awesome. That's all good things that I want to see, and that I did. So now that that's done, and that we can forget about the C preprocessor, and that we can forget about displaying things correctly, I guess, we can now get into the other part that we're fucking up, right? So we're trying to parse the kernel. We're supposed to read into these structs. I think I'm kind of overthinking everything, and that's probably why we're having so much issues. I've actually not thought a lot about how we should, like, get started for this, how we should resolve this. Let me just place everything for the stream. Alright, let's remove a couple of things that we don't want. Like table creation, that's way too much stuff. The other stuff can be useful. Alright. So let's put it like that. Okay. Hey Stan, how's it going? Like, we need to clarify all of that shit. All of that doesn't work. None of it makes sense. I feel like it's just, like, me exploring how it should work. Alright. Alright, let me just make sure that there's not more shit that I want to go over before actually starting. But I don't think we do. Like, can this not do this? Okay. Like shit. That's fair, that's fair. I feel you, man. I feel you. What's going on? Was it class? What makes you feel like shit today? Also, just a note, I may not have the time watching your streams from Monday to Friday. School starts today. And unlike 2025, I try having a schedule. That's all good, my man. I'm expecting nobody to watch the stream for the next good eternity. Everybody, like, has their life. That's normal. But I'll keep on streaming. I mean, it's just a good thing for me to have. Makes me somebody to talk to instead of a rubber ducky. And it keeps me on a tight schedule for the things I want to do. So, even if we yap a lot of the time because I'm sleepy. But, yeah, that's normal. That's fair. That's fair, Enigma. Nah, my portable drive, it died. That would be the most portable drive ever. Okay? Because portable drives are made to die. They just do. So, if you put any trust in them, I'm sorry to say it, but that's on you, brother. That's on you. Alright. So let's just fuck around a bit and find out. So, okay. How about we put all of our prints... how do I want to do this? We're gonna need to do a new function. Alright, let's make a new function. How many will we have? Windows work with it, no problem. Linux sees it on a normal USB device, can't auto-mount, but it can still mount manually. Run some distributed, and that's fine shit. Oh, nice. No, what he means is he's having issues with the partition. There's probably some corruption, so he had to reformat for it to actually want to auto-mount. He's not blaming Linux. It's okay, it's okay. And yes, indeed, lack of sleep is dangerous, okay? Even though I'm I'm a big part of it, okay? It is dangerous. So, let's make... Why the fuck is it named AST type? How many of these function have I made? Holy shit, we're gonna need to clean that up one day. Alright. AST parse. Does that already exist? Am I fucking myself over here? We don't need that. We probably need only the main cursor. Or do we get that result? Yeah, let's only get the children. Cursor. Children. Alright. So our plan is to use this. That check is already good. And let's use that here. We need to do the self thing. Okay, let's just get started. And let's stop having all of that here. Yeah, that's fair. Just change color, bro. As I stated above, indeed. Indeed, friend. Am I retarded? Oh, it's because my function is not good. If I do that, it's going to color itself. Yep, okay. So let's just put this there. Alright. So we need... Let's do a walrus operator. Just so that we can check if there's an output that is being returned. And if there is an output being returned, then we can append it to the processing list. Here we go. Yeah, makes sense. Alright, that's some clean code. SmartCTL gave me this. There are differences between boot sector and its backup. Ugh. Always keep copies when you have things on an external drive. They're always shit. They always break, okay? It's surprising how many programmers automatically go for comments instead of changing variable name. But I suppose it's from school and bad habit. Oh, okay, oh my god, I was so far down the line I wasn't understanding at all. I get it. Guys, I have a problem. For both Windows and Linux, use this portable piece of garbage. exFAT or NTFS. Well, to my knowledge, both work pretty great, but NTFS probably has more chance of fucking itself over because of Windows. So you're probably better with exFAT. Because Windows does like to change things, okay? Because NTFS has dumb decision. That's also another idea. No, exFAT does have a journal. Bro. That's what I googled, bitch. Okay, I'm sorry. I feel retarded here. There's no way there's not, like... The standard exFAT is not journal. No way. I would like to know how it's implemented. Okay. Not for big disk. But... yeah, I guess their use of tables, whatever the fuck that means, probably does the same thing. So, yeah, go with exFAT. Yeah, even if it's 1 terabyte. Like, look, let's be honest. At the end of the day, your hard drive has more chance to cook itself to death just by existing than it having a real corruption from you not being a retard, right? So, don't worry about it. I was sure that exFAT had the option for it, but I'm surprised, I guess. That bad boy. Bro, don't leave them connected. Bro. They're not meant for that. You're triggering me. You're triggering me so bad. External hard drives are meant for backups. When you leave them in, they cook themselves and they break. They are all badly designed. The only excuse that you could have is to remove the fucking shell around it and hope to God that the front part where your cable connects doesn't break, and maybe use it that way. Okay? That could help. Okay, thank Lord. I'm trying to not kill myself here, okay? I'm trying hard. Nigma, I love you. Oh, I love you so much. Alright, let's get to it. So we got our children. And the first thing that we should do should be to separate what kind of entity we have, right? And maybe then give it to another specific function that's meant for it. That should be a good idea, right? So for now, let's just print all of our choice, right? Let's print all of our possible versions that we have. Let's print all the different options. And I think we're going to need to do this. Here we go. Alright, let's just see our options real quick. Alright. So here, we have all the different things that we need to parse. So let's just start with the struct declare, because it's the only one we give a shit about. So let's already prepare a match case statement, right? That's what we should use. And yeah. Yeah, let's actually do this. All right. And let's make it simple as fuck, okay? So match. Oh, can we do this horrible shit? Oh, there's no parenthesis, right? Oh, wait a minute. Is this a valid thing? Haha. Oh, that's disgusting. I love it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. Let's try this. LOL VPN. No. Okay. I want it to work so bad. This is so fucking bad. I don't want to spread misinformation. I'm not going to drain the dark side. Oh, okay, that's fair, Enigma, that's fair. Why is it disgusting? It's disgusting because I'm applying... Look at this shit. Wait, where am I? Okay. So what I'm essentially doing is creating a string, and right after that, I'm cutting it. It's like... I don't know, it just feels fucked. It just feels fucked. It's like in any other world, because here I'm taking the string from a variable, right? But in any other world, I would just cut the already existing string, right? Put in the... Oh, that's fair. Yeah. Yeah, it feels way better. You're just right. Yes, I agree. I agree with you. Alright, so now we're able to match case this shit. Alright, so here, just to keep it as simplified as possible, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new function for each of them. So yeah, that feels great. And we're going to end up with a return something. Okay. So each of them are going to have our funny, optimized little function thingy. And here we can just automatically return whatever the fuck comes from this. I get it. It's just, to me, it feels a little bit better to like treat this as an entity that we do first and then we parse it. Right? It's just my mind. But I get that you're doing the C thing though. I get it. I don't know. I don't know which is best. You know what? Extreme war crime. I'm in for it. I'm in for it. Why the fuck aren't you working? What am I missing here? Oh, self. You're not my compiler? Bro, you are. For C? Yes. Alright. So we've got a method of working that actually makes some fucking sense. Alright. So let's get to it, right? Let's get to it. What's a war crime? What a war crime is that case? I'm okay with that war crime case, okay? Alright. Yeah, match this with one of the cases. Yes, it's... oh, yes. Okay, I get it. Yes. Me too, okay? I love my C switch, okay? I love it, okay? But whatever the fuck they did, return to what? Well, this is a function that we call for each children, and then we return into an array if there is something. The Python program is parsing this file? I'm confused, bro. I'm confused. Anyway. Okay. Now we've got a struct. Okay, we're inside of a struct. Oh, it's because of the self. Self is to call a function within a class. So that's why I need self. Because right now, this is all through a function, okay? I could move it, I could put it somewhere else, but it's all under one big class. I wrote Luo. You meant Lua? Confused. I don't know what Luo is, if it's a thing. Roblox! Oh, man. Alright. Let's fucking get to it, okay? Let's get to it. Because we're not doing anything at this point. Lua with types. Alright. So now we have a cursor, okay? Cursor children. What do we want to do with it? Well, the first thing that we should want... Let's use... First of all, music, please. Let's use the same logic that we had for the C preprocessor. So we're going to create a class, an object for every single thing in our code. And now we should probably create a struct thing, a struct declare thing. So let's go create that. And by thing, I mean class. And let's just make some fucking notes here. Oh, no need. So let's call it AST struct declare. Do I put it in caps? Yeah, fuck it. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing that we did before. So we have a line start, a line end that I'll combine inside of a line variable. And after that, we should probably have the name. That's probably very fucking important. This? That's comment remover. It just strips the comments from C. There, it's pretty. It has a lot of pretty color. Yes, okay. It parses comments without affecting the number of lines, okay? It is very fucking based. It just works, okay? It just works. Alright. Struct declare. Okay, so let's just start with that, right? We want the lines, we want the names. So let's get these value. I need to note down something. I need a way to hop around between, like, the lines that I want. It's taking too much time. I feel like a retard. Okay, so I need to fill this shit. And let's just return this. Boom. So first thing that we want is line start. I feel like we just know that with extent. And then we can do dot start dot line. I fucking hate when it does that. Like the little... Bro. Can you stop? This needs to stop. Why doesn't it fucking scale? Bro. This needs to go. Okay? The little thing? No. Bro, where do we zoom? Editing. Text navigation. I love not having a fucking idea. Besides the completion box. Okay, fuck you. I guess that's the thing. No? Bro, I'm not in. Oh. So it was one of these things. Okay, I can trigger it with Alt, I guess. Right? No? Okay, who gives a shit? Did it help in any way? Okay, no, it's good. We have what we want. Red guard. Hi, Rust. Bro, you're in too deep. Okay, it's doing it again. Bitch, no. You never code every time I join. Yes. I'm so fucking triggered. Why does it do that thing? Accessibility notification. Do I look like somebody who cannot fucking walk? Like, why? What the fuck is this? What? It's not even helpful. Like, is there a... What's this? What the fuck is this? Help me. Shift F1. Nobody fucking knows, okay? Find action. What the fuck is this, bro? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Quick open code browser toolbar. No, that's not the thing. Well, I guess I didn't need it. Okay, that's not what I want. Stallion champion. Yes, I think that I get what you sent in C, okay? I get it, okay? It's just that that's not it, okay? I understand what you mean. Okay. So those are not the thing I want. Please get the fuck out. Tabbed browsing. Show tab indicator. No. Okay, it must be here. Yes, 2 hours later. I'm so fucking triggered. Why does this open? It's so useless. Okay, minimap is the other thing, right? Alright, yes, okay. Is this it? No. It's so fucking uninteresting. For sure it's not here, right? Okay, thank Lord. Is it analyzer? No. Background parser. 16 thread. Yes, buddy. Yeah, but that's exactly what I'm using right now, right? To have the colors. And I want the colors. Oh Lord. Okay. I'm not even using this, right? Show completion. Show inline docs. Is this fucking retarded thing? Is this it? No. It's not it. Don't fucking know what I'm doing. Should be called tooltip. Okay. Show functions in extra. I feel so retarded. Okay, that's what you mean. Please. Okay. Why can't it just display correctly, right? Why? Of course Rust is nice. There's a reason why everybody use it. What the fuck is that? I don't know anything. This is what happened when you have no fucking idea what things do because you haven't learned shit in life. Whoop-de-doo. Okay. Line height multiplier. Can I tell it to go fuck elsewhere? Okay. No, I got fucked. It's okay. Doesn't do what I thought. That's good. Fuck me. Bro. Okay. Okay, it's for sure because I'm messing around with the size with control. That's the issue, right? Because if I were to find the zoom somewhere, put it to 0, let's just, you know what? Fuck you. Okay. So if I do it that small, it's just going to work, okay? We know. Yes, it works. Okay, we get it. Now, how do I zoom my shit without using control? It's just going to work. We know. We know. It's so fucking retarded. Oh my god. It doesn't even work, bro. Kill me. Or, wait. Let's restart it. Okay. Okay, we're good. Is it readable now? Am I going to have to kill myself for this? Yes, it seems readable. All right. Start line. Fucking bother me more. Go ahead. I'm so triggered. Alright, fuck it. We're doing dumb writing now. Okay, because it's meant for that size. And now the name. How do we get the name of this shit? Spelling, I guess? Oh no, that's function. Which one? Spelling, I think, that will get the name. And for spelling, it should already be text. All right. And cursor children is just so fucking long. Okay. C children is the way to go. All right. So now we store starting line, end line, and spelling. And by default, it should print it all at the end, right? Processing loop. Yes. Okay. Fuck you. Let's try this. Okay, let's just try this. Oh, we're having a Rust debate. Whew. Not again. All right. Let's go see the truth of these statement. So we have 25 to 30 for NV thing, NL MSVC. All right. This one, 25 to 30. We have one line 20. Let's go look at line 20. That's fair. 38 to 45. 38 to 45. Okay. So we've got that down right. All right. First step done. Right. So now we need to know its children. Kids. So what we're going to do for the children is we're going to create a new subclass called members, and we're going to store shit in it. Okay, this is the plan. So members, let's go. And let's just go and see what the name of these members should be. Let's do a cursor get children again. For shit, no, let's do fuck J. For fuck J in this, we do this, print dot kind, just so we know what the fuck this is. Here we go. Okay. A happy little Rust fight. Oh shit, I should have put some lines down so that it's obvious. Let's put a tab. Alright, good. So we have two possible things. Field declare or struct declare. Alright. So let's get into it. So we're going to create a class called field declare. We're just going to call it member field declare, because I fear that we're going to have another field declare that will fuck us. Or maybe I should call it struct field declare. Yeah. Let's call it struct field declare. All right. So we should probably have the same information. We should also know if it's a const. Like, there's more we need to know, right? We need to know if it's a const. And fuck. How are we going to do this? You know what? Let's small steps, small steps. No, fuck J is just a meme that we have. I just started writing fuck J and it's stuck, okay? It's kind of like socket.h doesn't exist. It's just a meme. Alright. So here we have the children. So, ooh, that's an opportunity. So let's go into struct declare. And let's make it so struct declare can have children. Right? Whoops. Self dot children equals children equals none, just for the possibility that there's no kids. All right. So now we should be able to give that possibility true an array. So we could do children's. Am I retarded? Plural of children. Plural of child is children. Oh fuck. Okay. Alright, I get it. Children it is. Alright. That one was great. Alright. So let's put a check here. If children... yeah, in Pythonic we should be able to do this. So if children has nothing in it, we should be able to set children to none. Which is probably a more manageable value than an empty array. And in this case, we should probably go down again. Alright. Alright. So children can now be sent here. And here we should be able to do this, right? So we append the kid into the array with children. And here we have a we have a field declare. We just need to go get the information from that field declare. Now, let's not even think about that. We're probably doing good. Or not. Fuck. Give me a moment. I don't fucking need to think about this now, okay? Let's go get the information about what the fuck this is. So we need to know the name of the thing, because right now we're just talking about a simple member, so we need the name, and we need the type. Alright, how did we do that in the past? AST sniffer, where is it? All right. So with spelling, we probably get the name. Oh, we're here. Oh, true. We've got the field declare thing for prior structs. Fuck us, bro. So they need to somewhat be part of the same loop. Alright. So let's start by handling structs within structs. But we would need something recursive, right? Because the issue that we can have is we can have one struct within probably another struct. Can you declare a struct inside of a struct? Is this just... Okay, let's make an example here. Oh, nice. Already got it. Let me be more precise, okay? Is struct fuck J valid? Like within the other struct? Would this compile? Yes, you are my compiler, Enigma. Or else I'm asking AI. Okay, so this would compile. Thank you. So I need to find a recursive version for... a recursive solution for this shit. Bro. Alright. You know what? Let's do... But remove the... Just... Oh, for this here? Well, for some reason it has it on the source code itself. Like, why? Like, it was my logic too that it shouldn't. But... like, I always thought... Never mind, I'm tired. Okay. I always thought that they were not needed at the end, but... Anyway. Alright, so we need to find a solution for this. Let's fucking go. So I'm just going to detect if fuck j dot kind. Yeah, let's just detect the kind, okay? Let's just detect that kind. Fuck you. Pew pew. Music, please. Thank you. Alright. And if it is a struct declare, we're going to have some fun. No, play the intro. Fuck it. There's way too much bass on this shit. What have I fucked up? Oh, I left that in there. Official Maple theme song. Indeed. Alright. I fucked up something. Yes, I did. Alright, alright. I was like, that doesn't make any sense. Alright, we're going to start being fucking disgusting, I guess. Alright. Let's just start printing shit. Does Rust still use LLVM? Yeah, they do. I usually never write a bear struck because... Oh, didn't know. Thanks for the feedback on that one. Alright. Let's just compare a bit. Can I, like... Whoop. Bro. I need to clean this shit. Okay. There we go. Can I just do... No, of course not. Of course not. It cannot be simple. Okay. You go here. You go there. You go there. Fuck you. Thank you. Alright. You only see the struct name in very large project, like the kernel, because they need the variable. Alright. Well, the thing is I need to be able to process all of them, so... Yep. I'm following you. Alright. So let's look at NLMCL thing. Okay, this, right? This thing. Okay, so when we go down, we have fill declare. We don't go any further down. Then... Fuck, I'm confused. Okay, let's go back to this. Bro. It was working. Why you breaking? Alright. Why is this fucking up now? Oh, because I'm checking the children, retard. Alright. We're good. Why? Why? Why you gotta be a fucking asshole, man? Okay, under the hood, we're accessing a statically structured address space in the stack. No, I'm not smart enough for this, but I guess it makes sense. Alright, so there's no children to these. That's the logic that we have now. Okay. So we cannot do get children on these motherfuckers. Oh, but bro, we probably... We know. We just fucking know. We know there's gonna be a fucking retard writing some, like... Giga recursive code. With like 16 struck within a struck. Who's the retard? Who did it? Oh, we know it exists. We know it exists. Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. Even if it has a code style convention, I cannot assume that all the programmer will follow it, and I certainly cannot assume that whatever the fuck is in tools will follow it. So, I need to be ready for all retardation. Let's just copy this. All right. Let's try this war crime of a thing. Okay. It parsed through a lot of shit. All right. Let's just make this full screen. That's my task struck. Yeah. We know him. And we love him. All right. Okay, it doesn't look like we need to think about recursive hell for now. Okay, I'll skip as if it doesn't exist. Good, thank you. You are... Stan, you are rage bait, okay? Now it's you. You just know Nigma is writing an essay. Alright. The timing was funny. It wasn't wasn't an essay, but close. We're getting there. Bro is shooting warning shots. Alright. Okay. I can remove the retarded code. Where the fuck is it? So this is not needed. Alright. So we're iterating through the kids. Now, if we have a struck, it should be a struck in reference to something else. well then, there's no difference between a struck and a type def, so I don't need to treat them differently. Except the fact we had the little issue. Let's just run it again. We had this issue where it would say field declare to something that was under the prior struct declare, right? So here we have struct declare socket address, but socket address is the type. The next field declare is related to this. And the way that we know, we had a special command that would be able to get that information. So we need to keep some kind of logic in there to link the two. Okay. Excuse me, Maple Circuit. I had a civil exchange about some C++ with Nigma on Discord, so it's just the chat atmosphere makes me want to bait a little bit. You don't have to excuse, okay? It's just funny. I love when Nigma receives like 1% of what he does, but like unwillingly, right? He's not doing it voluntarily. Well, sometimes you are, okay? When I'm not coding, you are. But it's all good with me, okay? To me, my chat is a firing range, okay? You can shoot as much as you want. Alright, so how did we realize which was which? Right, let's go check at what we had before. It was up. Okay, I can collapse this shit, right? Oh god, my life is going to be so good. Not acting like a fucking retard. Bro, you're going. Oh, okay, I won't be able with these one, I guess. Yes, C is unsafe, okay? This is why you need a condom. Always be protected when writing C. You might just become pregnant. Who the fuck knows? You might be nursing a sick baby. Alright. Alright. What does Canadian music sound like? It depends. Nigmo, I'm memeing, okay? Canadian music? I have a disc of Québécois music. But like it's you're asking something like what is American music, right? Is it like pop? Is it jazz? Is it like there's no such thing as like Canadian music. But there's Québécois folklore. And it's weird. Un Thierry Godon. Alright. Is this the best way to go about this shit? Well, it's a meme, right? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Le roi Enoch. Archive de la rive sud. Oh, bro. Oh, I'm going to try to not blast your ears.
Montréal-Paris, t'entends? Montréal-Paris, Roi Enoch, l'exclusivité, t'entends? Pour tous vos petits fanatiques.
Donc voilà, ici direct à Montréal, à tous les amateurs de hip-hop en exclusivité.
Dogmatique.
Can we have some rap?
Un pacte avec le diable, affiliation mafia, drame, coke et marijuana, transaction d'âme, Hugo Boss, ISO, moi Enoch, et qui n'est mode que la drogue. Eric à la donne.
J'ai cru remarquer qu'un sujet vous tenait particulièrement à
Bro, it's so AIDS, okay? First of all, French rap is already shit. Let's just be honest. So, from Quebec, kill me, bro. Yeah, Canadian gangster. Oh, I'm scared. Yeah, I know. Like, there's death metal for all the countries, right? So, there's all the thing. But normally... Oh, fuck, we're going on a tangent. They're going to rob you for your syrup. True. Okay, let's... I don't even know how to write it. Oh shit. That's copyright for sure. And we have
Si la France a ses rillettes, son foie gras, ses crêpes Suzette, la Belgique a ses gaufrettes, et Milan son escalope, Portugal a ses sardines,
That's Quebec.
Toronto sa margarine,
Okay.
l'Espagne a ses mandarines, et l'anglais son mutton chops, mais nous on fait exception, au diable l'importation.
and the TLDR is talking about religion, the English, food, and that's about it, okay? That's about it. But there is also a subset of it that is like not really speaking and just violent and more traditional Quebec instruments. Syrup is basically Canada's gold/oil, right? Well, we've got oil. We've got Alberta. Yeah. But yes, we've got oil. And I think that it's a bit weird to say that it would be Canada's something, because most of it is, as everything that is culturally important for Canada, it's done in Quebec, okay? If you want to know why the fuck the rest of Canada hates Quebec, it's because the only reason why Canada is fancy, like, culturally, is because they have Quebec. And we are a fucking scourge on a lot of things, okay? We make a lot of things way too complicated. But hey, that works too. In market terms. I can assume that Canada makes more oil export than maple syrup. Yeah, that would surprise me that, at least in cash terms, There's no fucking way. Like, Canada oil export in per year. 4.2 million barrel. Will they tell me in barrel fucking terms? Maple production Canada year. God damn, that's a lot of gallons, but I don't think that it compares, no? Like how many gallons is a barrel? Oil barrel to gallon. 42. Damn. And there's no way that that shit costs more than oil, right? Price. Yep. So, right under $1 billion? For fucking maple? That's a lot of money in crude, my friend. That's a lot of money in crude. I like that crude. Hi, don't tell Trump. He won't do shit. We got the biggest dicks, okay? At least farmers aren't silently dying. Now smaller companies are dying instead. I don't know, being a farmer is kind of the worst fucking job you could have. Oh, there's so much that I could go on. Oh no. No, we're going down the drain. We're going down the drain. Is this why the viewership is low? I need to do more tangent. I need to talk about bitumen for fucking hours. Oh, bro. I love bitumen. You know? Okay, there's something unhinged in life. We've got a green party, okay? And yeah, I'll go back to code, okay? We have a green party in Canada. And the leader of the green party, like, came out against, of course, an oil pipeline. And she says, well, making an oil pipeline is retarded because what they want to move is bitumen, and it's way more efficient to transport bitumen by train. And she's like, just put it on trains. I just feel that it's unhinged when your green party is like, you know what, fuck it. Just do oil, okay? But at least put it on fucking rails. Oh, man. That's funny to me. Okay, that's my type of humor. Okay. Let's get back to it. I feel like this is flawed as fuck. Because right now we're just taking the spelling of the thing. This feels so flawed. I need to check a couple of things. Alright. Let's make some magic. We're not talking about crude. Alright. Let's try this. No, write the damn code. And yeah, be a competitor. Is Canada instinct kicked in? Oh yeah, Germany with closing down nuclear plant. I mean, we did it in Quebec, so we're fucking retarded too. But holy shit, what a dumb fucking thing to do, bro. Especially in Canada? In Canada, closing nuclear in Canada? We're uranium producers. We're the most, like, unhinged level resource rich country in the fucking world. If there's a place where you should be able to just be like, you know what? We're doing nukes, okay? We're doing a bunch of fucking nukes. It's Canada. Holy. Why did they close that shit? I'm living near the power plant. Would have been based if they kept it around. Yeah, that's fucking triggering. The German, I mean. What's cool is Ontario, a province in Canada. They're like giga producers of nuclear generators. Okay, they don't give a shit. they are all on steam ahead. Okay, they don't give a shit, and I love them for it. Get declaration. Oh, because we need the type, right? We need the type. And right now, the Canadian government is funding the fuck out of it. Well, no, they're not funding the fuck out of it. They're making sure that regulation don't go in the way. Which is cool. Hi, friend. How's it going today? Coal, for one, is more radioactive by you breathing it in, and any disaster con. Yep, absolutely. I saw that about cold. Wow, coal. It's fucking retarded. Hi, Dmitry. Happy to see you. How's it going today? Me personally, kind of a hard day. I think that my daughter peaked, okay? I think that she's not getting any worse. At least I hope. Holy. Shit is getting hard. But apart from that, I'm good. Think tomorrow is going to be a better day. Not really going well. It's understandable. Well, one day at a time, right? One fucking day at a time. Doesn't have to be a good day. It can be a shitty day. One day at a time still. Literally and figuratively, because modern times are way more strict for obvious good reason. And those plants were cheaply today because it was way more loose. Yes, the standard was not the same. More bad than good. Yeah. I get it. I get it. But still. When life throws you shit, the best thing you can do is try to focus on fucking life up, okay? When somebody is putting a fuck Jade on your ass, you gotta think about how you're going to fuck Jade them back. At least, that was my thinking and it worked, okay? So you do you, brother. But I take fuck Jay by the balls. Alright, where the fuck were we? Like, this is not working. we're confused, okay? We are confused. The prior thingy didn't even fucking work. Oh no, it's a pointer, right? There's that pointer thing. fucking pointer. That sounded a lot like the N-word, okay? Fucking pointer. Alright. I'm so fucking triggered. Holy. Okay. Bro, we need a fucking solution, okay? We need to get this shit on lock. How did we check if there is a pointer thing? We had a way. We had a way. Oh, we did this. Alright. I'm in. Sounded like XQC for a moment. Based. Guys. Also, most importantly, the president isn't being dumb and blinded by money. Yeah, actually, sign. Not sure where you're going with that, Nigma. Can't use money's trust if everyone is dead too. I'm not sure I get you there. I'm just like probably missing some context. Is it like just a vague appeal to company bad? Which, you know, is not the type of appeal that I give a fuck about. They may still be dumb, but actually, our leaders, I meant by countries. Our leaders are not necessarily dumb, okay? The people are. That's... Fuck the people. Fuck the people, fuck the people. Fuck the people what? Fuck him up. Okay. We're back to the same fucking problem with pointers, okay? And you know what? You know what? I've got the fucking solution. I've got the solution. Okay. No. Highs are not working today. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to detect if it's a pointer. If it's a pointer, we're going to call it a fucking retard. And if not, we're going to call it another type of retard. So what we're going to do is we're going to do fuck J under type. And here we're going to do beep boop beep boop beep boop beep 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 boop beep 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 beep. Okay, I'm becoming retarded here, okay? Get pointy. Oh, get pointy is a... Is get pointy a type? I hope it is. If it ain't, I'll kill myself, okay? That easy. I'm becoming insane. Da la di da di da do. Hey, hi Toad. How's it going? Happy to see you here. While I'm becoming insane. I'm also insanely sleepy right now. For some reason. But who gives a shit? Alright, look at this shit. Look at this. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's going to answer the calls. Come. Oh, don't kill yourself, man. You have a daughter. As if I'm going to kill myself. I think I am glazing too much. Judging by the block of compliments. If you mean about politics, no, it's because I am insanely, like, defending of the status quo. Because I have the politics of a boomer. But... oh, it fucking works. It works! Okay. Okay, I'm happy. Alright. Or so good. I meant by good and... okay, I need to read more. But I am quite harsh / negative about countries in general, so, balance. I meant by good and logical action. All good, just going to start the working on project after taking bath. Alright. Alright. Is it morning where you are? Oh shit, it is. No, Toad and I, we know each other, okay? We know each other. We have some memes. But, bro, Nigma, I don't remember every fucking country and their fucking time zones, okay? I just remember yours, because every time I stream, you're like, it's 2 hours, bro. It's 2. It's 2. Everybody's fucking 2 here, okay? You EU fucks, okay? You... I just need to go into some insanely racist sounding rant, okay? Okay, fuck you. Okay, fuck you. Toad, I'm going well, okay? Thank you for asking. Well, my daughter is sick, I'm sleepy as fuck, and I'm hoping to the dear Lord that she's not going to be sick tomorrow. So that's pretty much what we've got. I don't think that's Stan... what the fuck? Stan, I won't say my time. What? Well, you got a decent opponent here. I'm so fucking confused. Sometimes I don't know if I'm retarded. Or... okay. I just have the retarded horse analogy in my head. Okay? I don't know if I'm the horse or if I'm the horse bringer. Okay? The horse is retarded. The horse does not want to drink the water. Okay? Even if we bring the horse to the water, the horse does not drink the water because he's retarded. Okay? In that example, I don't know who I am. Okay? Am I the guy that is getting the fucking horse, or am I the horse, okay? What type of retard am I? EU fucks. It's 2. He's spitting. That was about the probably racist rant you mentioned. Oh, okay. You've got a decent opponent. He's going to spit down that racism even harder, okay? Yes. That's exactly what I needed, okay? I needed a Polish guy to be as racist as possible. Yes. You're working and reading, don't worry. That's bad. I suppose it's a normal flu. Well, I hope, but right now it should go away, right? A solid 4 days with the full symptoms. It should go away tomorrow, right? Tell me it's supposed to go away. I'm so done. Well, what do we have here? We're back into, like, tell me your ethnicity. I want to throw a racial slur at you. We're back. Yeah, I hope that it's gone soon. I hope so much. But hey, it's life. I sing to her songs, and sometime it calms her. Let's just put it that way. That's part of being a father. Man, what a careless man. 4 days and not even diagnosed. In Canada, we don't see a doctor for a cough. we let itself fucking fix itself, okay? This is what we do. There's no fucking way that I'm waiting for a doctor. And you know what? She's going to cook the disease. Well, that's what I'm trying at least. And for now, it looks like it's working, okay? She'll cook the fucking... She'll cook it down, okay? Well, I say for a cough. It's the flu, but... It's the flu. I don't know, okay? I feel that flu is a fucked word, because for some people, like, flu is super mega bad, like you're dying. And for other people, flu just mean, like, a very soft cough. What I mean is, she's coughing every 2 seconds, unless she's knocked out. And she has a lot of mucus, okay? So, yeah. But, I mean, she's dealing with it like a champ. She's just crying when I'm around, and she wants my arms, and she wants to hear me sing for the 76 hours today. Just as a note, your daughter shouldn't take any medication, unlike what others think. Having a fever is your body's #1 weapon. Absolutely. I know, I read a little bit on that, and yeah, the idea that, like, reducing the fever, that trying to cool somebody down helps, is fucking retarded. It's like the reverse. Yeah. And I'm I'm helping this, okay? She's in her warmest fucking clothes, and the house is transformed into a sauna, because a big problem in Quebec, well, in all of Canada, is that the air is incredibly dry. It is so dry. So, like, just me, I have nosebleed all the time because of how dry the air is. So, for the whole day, I've been running like a kettle, just open, just to evaporate some water. And it helps a lot. It helps a lot. It even helps me. So I think I'll do that more often. Although my walls probably don't like it. I don't want to grow some fucking moles. Some mold, I mean. If it's just coughness, try ginger and ginger with honey. Yeah, I know that there's these tricks. The big issue is because my daughter is 2. She's kind of in a place where you cannot really feed her anything without her, like, panicking. So, I'm kind of locked to what she already knows. So for now, I'm just giving her things that help with her sore throat, which is milk. Milk helps. And getting her to not cry. That's pretty much the #1 thing, because if she cries, it's worst. I don't get sick often, but when I do, that's how I become fine within a week. Yeah, your body is meant to like go through this shit. So you just help the body go through it. That's all there is to it. Okay, I eat my required chemicals, drink water, and then I wrap myself in a blanket, even if it feels like I'm burning up. That's pretty much where I am. And by the way, for my side of things, because me too, I've had like the same thing, but just like way less worst. And it feels like it's done for me. So if it's done for me, I mean, it should be for By the way, never ask, what are you building? Oh, KernelInfo. Sorry, acronyms fuck my brain. I'm just not, like, I'm not young enough, I guess. But we're parsing the kernel. So right now we've done the, we're out of the C preprocessor, woo! But we're parsing like each physical fucking page of the kernel, trying to see all the different things, shoving it into a MySQL database in order to make relations and make a cool website with it. If it's bad, obviously your daughter and yourself should take medication. Don't want to die. True. But remember, if your buddy does something everyone else does, it's probably silently good. Yes, it is. Also, a fever is supposed to feel burdening. You should be still, not jump around, using your energy and consequently spreading it. Circuit is building bootleg bootlin too. For now, unironically, yes. Okay, I have the interface, I have bootleg bootlin, but we're trying to have upgraded bootlin and maybe more cool features with it. But for now, it should feel like bootleg bootling. Bootlin. Fun fact of the day. Absolutely. But yeah, we're... Look, tomorrow, she's going to wake up. No fucking cough. I'll, like, clear her nose. And she's going to be good. So good, okay? And you know what I'm going to do tomorrow? Chill. And not have to sing for the whole fucking day. Holy shit. Repeating for the 1000th time that we're cleaning a bowl is not a fun thing. My brain's about to kill itself. Sorry. Just make things clear because death is a possibility if done wrong. Yeah, but no, right? You know when your kid is okay or not. I will join in 20 min, gonna take a bath. I don't know if I will last that long, but if not, happy to see you and we'll find a way to talk, okay? I love you, bro. If not, bye-bye. But if we see each other, then good. Yes, Nigma. For fever, that's true. They're like we need to make it clear, right? For fever, that's true. There are other things where it can help, but fever, it's well, fever, flu, cough, these kind of things, unless you're like a at-risk person, that's like all good. Toad. Love you, Toad. Hope to see you. Hope to see you soon. Okay. Okay, I think that we've, like, it goes for all medication. Well, no, right? Because when you start going down that path, you, like, you're, okay. I'm going to, like, reverse autism on you. I'm going to reverse autism on you and tell you, like, if you have cancer, you're going to need chemotherapy, okay? Right? We agree on that? Like, our bodies are meant to protect itself to a certain point. Your body has no idea what AIDS is and will destroy itself trying to cure itself from itself, okay? So, medication is required sometime. It's not always bad. We just have to see the difference between something your body should normally overcome and something that your body just needs a little help up. Okay, Nigma, the reason why I'm saying that is because your statement, even if it means something very precise to you, can be used generically to mean, like, medicine denial, right? To be somebody that will deny the fact that medication work. Your body is in a brain, but your brain isn't your body. Don't know what that means, bro. But look what I'm saying here. Oh yeah, no, I didn't mean it like that. I know you didn't. I know you're smart. I'm just making it clear. Because there's some things in life that triggers me. And that's one of them. Those individuals are idiotic. Yep. I prefer dying of cancer instead of shameless by chemo or whatever therapy. Well, we say that until we have cancer. Especially now. I mean, like, wait a second. How do we write it? Leukemia. Kid survival rate per time. Can I have a chart? I want a chart. Like, okay, right? We're getting up, and we're talking from 1997 to 2016. We're going up. Remember when, like, when I was young, and we talked about fucking leukemia, it was like, you have leukemia, you're done. Right? That was common knowledge. But here, it's like, whoop, it's going up. Okay? So, like, we don't want to use the medication, but at some point, it exists for a reason, and it works. Right? It just works. So we need to just accept that the doctors fucking know. They know best. Like, yeah, here is a little bit more, like 30% in 75, 2018, 71%. So, yeah. No, we're getting there. We're getting there. We're good with that shit. All right. So, okay. So when we do the spelling of the get declaration, it results. Let's go back to the terminal, okay? So here, spelling gives us socket address. And then, okay. Okay, here's the thing. If we go and get the name of the prior struct and it's the same, that means that they're linked. Okay, I understand myself. All right. Oh, yes, we have access to it through that. Oh, based. Based. Okay. So here, let's just start pointer handling. I don't know how this is written. Okay. Let's start writing things in a clearer way. Okay? That. Okay. Now, this. Start. Check for struct member within. Fuck. It's going to make sense, okay? So if fuck JType, which is derived here, it's so we don't have the issue with the pointer. So if this is equal to... We should do this too, right? So we need to transform it into text. If this text is equal to the prior element in the array, so that means children -1, but we would need to test the validity of children first, just to make sure that we're not fucking ourselves here. So if children is a valid object, that means that there's something inside of children, and that children -1 dot name, yes, because they should always have a name, is equal to the get declaration. We should then and we should, what the fuck should we do? Make it part of the prior struct. Yes. All right. Oh, bye. Strings can be type. I'm not sure I understand. Are you talking about this? About fuck J get declaration? Type kind pointer. Yes, it's because if I just do this without transforming it into a string, it will give me a kind object, which I don't want, because I don't know how to handle them correctly. Equalities should work, but they don't when I do it. This is why I stringify it, and it has like a method to be transformed into a string. Alright. Okay. Okay, so then I would do some special thing and then continue. Because what we want to do is edit whatever is there with its new information. Fuck. Okay. We got it, Nigma. You don't like it. We got it. Yeah, I know. I'm not saying that you're triggered at me. I don't think you are. Alright, so we need a new class for structs within structs. Bro, that's fucking disgusting. Alright, let's do this. Now, instead of having children, We're going to call it vars. Oh, I think I'm very able. Or var name. Oh, member. Whoa, that's what we need. Member. All right. Sorry, I'm just trying to find the good names. Okay. So we start with member at none. Whoops. And then we can add members. Oh, there could be multiple. So member needs to be an array. Right. Okay, okay. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Alright, so what I could do is get the member array here and do dot append and append the name of whatever the fuck I'm doing and its info. Name of whatever the fuck plus info. So right now it should be fuckj dot spelling. Okay, we got it. Gordon Ramsay of programming, true. A seg fault. True. All right. Okay. All right. Oh shit, that's me being a retard. Not there. Okay. Oh no, it's okay. Foo boy. I'm too in my brain right now. It's hard, okay? It's overeating. It's overeating. I'm being taken out. Anybody remember the free Shavakadu meme? Free Shavakadu? Alright, I think we're getting it. We're getting it. So we have line start, line end. So let's do this. After that, we have the name of the thing itself. But it's inside of fuckj, right? Fuckj dot spelling. Alright. And then member, but member isn't set yet. Right. Okay, okay. I'm cooking so fucking hard, you don't even know. Why is there a double parenthesis? Because there is two parentheses here. One for the append and one for the struck. I'm adding something to the children array. Okay, so here's the idea, okay? Right now we're inside of a struck. And what we're doing is we're packaging inside of an array all of the different component of the struck. So we're stacking where they are and what their name is. Now, we should probably stack also the type, but for now, fuck my ass. I'm not doing this, okay? Memes. So, okay, this one is wrong. Because this one should be field declare. Boom. And this will also enable this. Right. Okay, this can be an issue. So before that, we need another check. If children -1, we need to know the name of the class. Class. Shit. Dot name. And it needs to be this. Right. Okay. Because get declaration could fail. Yes. Alright. Saved. Why are you not working? There's a dot missing. And this needs to be like that. I'm so smart. I need Ned right now to make memes of me, okay? This is what I need. We're absolutely killing it right now. Compared to normally, yes. But this is because I had my day off today. I'm going to sleep a lot tonight too. So it's going to help. Didn't I have something that was printing things? Oh, children, none. Okay, so it doesn't append. It doesn't append the thing. This should have a thing. It shouldn't be children, none. Fuck the oil, okay? It's not because I invest in oil that I need to be reminded every fucking day about the oil. Gotta love that oil. Alright. Like, I'm fucking up something here. Like, Pythonics ain't working. Where is it breaking? Fuck. True. I could be so mean. I will be so mean, okay? I get relaxation while you shut the fuck up, bitch. Okay, get declaration. Why the fuck is that here? That was for testing this. But it doesn't show itself here. Is the save thingy working? Ooh, maybe I haven't saved. Maybe that's the issue. You get sanity while I sorrow from trying to ponder how the frick I rotate the whole number line. Oh, that's so fucking based. Oh. Bro. That's good. Okay. We need to make the printing thing recursive. If key underscore dot underscore underscore. No, I need to know if it's part of type. Okay, fuck it. Python check if list. You'll do it. I believe in you. Is instance a specific class or data type? I'm good with it. is instance key list? If it is, for key oh we need to make this recursive. Fuck. Whoops. Well, it's not that bad. I just need to add this onto this, right? I just need to declare this onto it. Fuck, no. I'm missing something. Okay. Key is the name of the thing itself. Okay. So when I do get var, when I do this, it should give me an array. So okay, I'm being retarded. Okay. So this needs to be this. Yes. Okay. So here we check if the thing is a list. If it is, then we should iterate the thing. Or should we? Yes, we should iterate the thing. Okay. So we do for key. Key. Okay, let's call it key in this. We're going to recursively ask this, which will then result in this. Okay. We should probably new line and space that shit. Yes. Yes, absolutely. Okay, okay. Yeah. This. Let's do new line. And let's do a tab. Yeah, that works. That works. That's going to be awesome. Go update, bitch. Look at this shit. Bro, I don't understand a shit about what you just showed. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's so fucking nice. Wait a second. Look at this shit. Oh, everybody's like that for optimization. You always second guess your prior design. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, that's so fucking cool. Oh, bro, don't even try. Don't even try. I know. Okay, I've had a friend of mine, like, tried to explain this to me. I'm, like, that level of math, it might as well be, like, nothing. It doesn't exist to me. It's too much. Okay, I think that the socket address here should have address, but it doesn't. Okay, so I'm still fucking proud. It still works way better than I thought it would. Okay, so that's because here we do a thing that we shouldn't, or it just doesn't get down here. Okay, so it has this check, it has this one, it probably fails this one. Let's try printing. Right, we're going to try this. Bro, that's too far for me, okay? You're too far. Not smart enough for this, okay? Thank you for trying. It's appreciated. But it's a no bueno for my brain. Alright, do we just, like, not get anywhere near that? Am I skipping something? Okay, so the one that I should look at is NLMSV. NLMSV, right? NLMSV binding. Okay. And then within it... Oh, okay, it's because the spacing is fucked. It's not an NLMSV. I'm a retard, sorry. It's... NLM CLNT. Okay. NLM CNLT. Okay. Yeah, the spacing is fucked. Okay, I get it. So this... I forgot the F. Okay. Oh, is that it? No. Bro, I'm not smart enough. Okay. AST struck Dell. Okay. So it's true. So it gets through this, and then it gets through this. Here it gets stopped. Why? Children.name. Children.name should give us declaration.spelling. Got it. Got it. That would work. That will work. It's okay. It's okay, Enigma. I love you. Love you a lot. Address. Socket address. Okay. I think I got it, but it's just not displaying correctly. Oh boy, we got it. Address. Okay. I'm just triggered. Why doesn't it print correctly at that level of recursion? Alright. Probably because I don't stringify it. Alright, that's probably all this is. Oh, I'm sure it's neater on paper because you can like make it look good. Make it look good. I'm fucking confused. Why are you printed like that? Oh, because it is. Okay, okay, I get it. Okay. Anyway, I can fix this. Yeah, I could make it more clear with that. Yep, that would work. Alright, that's going to look way better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we just need another tab. How do we recursively do the tab thing? Shit. Can we know how many levels of recursion we're under? How to, Whoops. Python. No. Within. That's not how you write within. That's probably more at Python. No, within a class. How many levels of recursion you are under? Oh, I think we might be fucking cooking. Okay, I don't like the fact that I lost what Ned told me about. Oh, I just had to do it again. Okay. I don't want to have a tracker. Okay, AI. It would just be so cool if there's a way. Defining Pythonic solutions. Okay. The decorator method. If your goal is simply to keep your method signature clean, not passing depth. Yeah, because I cannot. A decorator is a Pythonic solution. It does for the variable away from method. Oh, fuck. That's even worse, I guess. Rap funk. Oh no, I don't want to do this shit. Okay, I guess fancy things won't work, Aru. Can I do this disgusting shit? Then I can do something like this. I'm not explaining anything, okay? I'm... In my head, I was like, you know what? I'm getting out of this. But right now, I'm just cooking my last line. Is this valid? This does not feel good. Oh my god. This feels so retarded. There's no way it works. Okay. Expected 0 arguments. That's okay, that's okay. I guess I can create a new... yeah, I can create a new one that we'll call this one. So I would do def underscore str underscore score. So whenever we call an empty s... No, that's retarded. Okay. So no underscore. We do this, this. Give me a moment. Solve that. Recursion equals recursion. I just didn't want to handle any of this shit. Return this. Well, I could just do str self. Here we go. So here we just need to check for the existence of an argument. Fuck. Python check for the existence of an arg within object. Or no, I don't even need to. I don't even need to. Here we go. We start at 1. We can multiply... no, we start at 0, sorry. We can do plus 0, 1 to self-recursion. We do str this. Okay, we're done. Whoops, I fucked something up. This is going to be fire. Welcome back, Toad. I'm way too sleepy to be doing code, but you know what? We're doing some fire freaking code, okay? What, I don't need to do self with this? This sounds counterintuitive. Well, let's try self not defined. Oh, I haven't saved. Oh shit. I'm cooking myself with this. Shoot. All good. How do I pass down that information then? Dipshit. Guess what? Fuck me, I guess. I can def in it. Okay. But then I need to remove recursions from the keys. So if key is equal to recursions, we should continue. Okay. Alright, this is absolute AIDS, and I love it. String self? What do you mean? How can you not have it if it's within your init inside of your class? What the fuck? How do I make all classes have a variable? Oh, fuck. Python. Master. Class. Variable. Still set for other subclass. Okay, fuck you. I had it right the first time. So this should work. Oh. Oh, I think I get what you're saying. Oh shit. So, oh, maybe, oh. So this should fix it. Dictionary changed size during iteration. How could it? We should already... Confused about the error. For keys in var self. So here it's fucking up. I got what you said, name. That's what I'm trying to fix now with this rename. I don't get why it says that it changes while iterating. Like, have I misnamed this? No. You know what? This is all retarded. It is. Let me just think about this like a proper retard, okay? Okay. Fuck recursions. So when we stringify that shit, and we find that we have a recursion, this is what the fuck this is, we should probably keep the output of this. Right, we should keep the output of this separately. Do like this, this, then do, whoops. Self recursion, that's not needed. So do, okay, wait a second. I got it on luck, okay? We're doing this. str. So we're transferring this into a string. We're going to do split line. And at the start of every line, how do I apply something to every line? Fuck it, I'm lazy. For lines. For content line in this. So for each content line, we're going to have this, Should probably have a new line at the start. Okay, let's make this at the start. Then we can add a tabulation to each line with the actual content. Followed by a new line. Yeah. Okay, so the first one should be ugly, but the other should be good. Okay, let's just try this shit. I think it works. I'm like low brain power cooking. Okay. We have too many new lines here. Right, this is one too many new line, I guess. Or no. Wait. Fuck, I'll just try things. Because the tabulation, like, they work. Okay, now it looks retarded. So that's where shit doesn't work. I guess. Oh no. We need to do this. And at the end, we need to cut result. We need to cut the new line off result. Right? So result should like one new line less. We are fucking cooking. Holy shit. Good luck on that deadline. Okay. The key part is okay. This part is fucked. Right? Yeah. Bro, that's a shitty deadline. Okay, now we fall under the same problem. So we need that disgusting tabulation. Thank you for being here all that time. It's the fucking split line that kills me. Or maybe not. Let me try something. It feels like it's not supposed to work. I'm not concerned. It's fun having you. I'm so done. But holy shit. There is... I just want to finish this. I just want this to print correctly. Oh, it's okay. You told me that that you would not be able to be there as much, and it's okay. Like, it's normal. Yes, I want whatever drug he is taking. It seems fun. Oh shit, I need to remove my print. Indy, you need to explain more. Because whatever the fuck you're saying right now feels a little schizo. Man, I'm just existing. I don't know. Based. My shit works. Yes. You'll give me an update, Nigma, okay? I wanna know if you fucking make it, okay? Wanna see you dominate that fucking micro GPU. Yes, you do have to explain why you would be happy. I'm just hitting my head doing dumb shit. It's not as if I'm amazing, okay? Because I'm not. Okay, so let's make sure that I'm not fucking anything up. Let's put an accept. Where are my other accepts? I think pre-pause. Yeah, that's what I want. Alright. All of that, just to have some goddamn writing. It's no good. Okay, we got it. I'm trying to understand, but the Python code giving me HTTP. I hate indentations. My spaghetti works. Why? You're not amazing. You're a star. No, don't try to understand, Toad. I'm like normally I understand what the fuck I'm doing, but right now even I don't understand, and I'm just. You know, when you're at this point where you're like, oh, just one last thing, oh, just one last thing, and you should really, like, just go. And right now, because it works, I'm going, okay? This is my bye-bye, but all I wanted was to be able to have, like, correct indentation in this. And right now it works. And I just needed to have some kind of failsafe too, to make sure that if ever... for some reason this code fucking fails because I'm using like index and shit, well, it needs to catch it. So that's why there's the try and the accept. So right now I have some kind of magical code that I'm not touching anymore that is there only to do this magical thing so I can debug my shit. But it does look good, you gotta say. Man, those indentation... they do look good. Indy, maybe you're on some crack, okay? The algorithm will just give you what you want, okay? Don't be another Andrew. Okay. Well, if you're not another Andrew, you'll be able to come back tomorrow, okay? Because today it's enough. Today, I gotta go. I gotta go sleep. I gotta go eat some chips. Gotta go chill and not do code. Tomorrow, we're resuming our code journey. I know that, Nigma, you probably won't be there, but still, love you, bro. Good luck, good night. Good luck, good night to you too. Or good now, if you're Enigma. Toad, was happy to see you still. But tomorrow, we're getting deeper in this shit. So right now, we're actually making a strive. We're making our way to it. I am desperate to have a physical pretty thing because a normal individual cannot get a precise point of my expertise from lines of code or blocks. Math explaining them seeing something spinning on a screen from my hardware, then my teacher finally understand. Absolutely, Enigma. Always think about that, right? Always think about having the pretty things, having the thing that catches the eye. People react way more to seeing something than something that is like fun for the brain. And I'm sure you and I can appreciate something that is fun for the brain, but most people don't. So, yeah, go with the pretty thing, my friend. All right, Nigma. So, see you soon and take care of you and all of the other people in chat. If you're still listening, love you all. So, I'll be there tomorrow if ever you're interested. All right, bye bye.